Here's how to switch back to a private account on Instagram. Now, if you have a professional account, either a business or a creator, and basically you can't set it to private, I'm going to show you how to switch that. Basically go back to a personal account and turn on the private mode. So let's open up Instagram and tap on the profile at the bottom right. You can see I have a professional dashboard here. I have a creator or a business account. I can tap the three lines at the top right, choose on settings and privacy. And now if you scroll down a bit, you can see account privacy. I can tap on it, but I cannot toggle this on because it says basically creator accounts cannot be private. So I'm going to have to go back here, and you can see under for professionals, it shows creator tools and controls. I can tap on that. And then at the very bottom, switch account type. I can tap on that and switch to a personal account. Keep in mind you need a personal account to toggle on the private option. So now that I've done that, I can go into the account privacy here, and now I can just toggle that on, and it says only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos, blah, 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 and just toggle that on. Now you've moved over from a business account, professional, whether you're a creator or a business, and you basically downgraded back to a personal account and toggled on that private button. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.